Uline's S15286 service kit for the H2378 Deluxe L-Bar Sealer includes everything needed for keeping your system in good working condition. After continued use, the Teflon tapes and heating element may need to be replaced as part of normal, routine maintenance on the unit. Before you start, unplug the system and allow it to cool off. To replace the heating element wire, first remove the yellow plastic cover from the front post. Then, remove all Teflon tape from the top and bottom sealing areas. Now, remove the screw attaching the heating element to the post, and remove the metal cover from the back of the machine. Then, unscrew the rear wire terminal of the heating element from the rear post. Then, attach the new heating element to the rear post by replacing the rear screw through the wire terminal. Attach the new heating element to the front post by compressing the spring on the rear post. Next, feed the heating element through the channel and attach it to the front post with the screw. You may need 2 people to complete this step. Then, attach new Teflon tape and then replace the yellow plastic cover on the front post. Now, replace the metal cover over the rear of the machine. Uline's S15286 service kit for the Deluxe L-Bar Sealer is in stock and ready for immediate shipping from any of our convenient locations in North America. If you have questions or choose not to replace the service kit yourself, Uline's repair department can be reached by contacting customer service.